Welcome to Thankful Outdoors. On this hunt, Bryce gets not one doe, but two while rifle hunting in central Wisconsin. The crazy part of this hunt is that he was lucky even to hit those deer. Just before the season, I had to mount a new scope on his rifle, which never got dialed in. I just got busy and forgot about it. Enjoy watching these deer feed towards Bryce and see how he makes his shots count.
Okay. If you can get a shot, get one, okay? What's that? Okay. Oh, right there, perfect. Oh, it's standing there, perfect. Can you get that? Can you shoot? Wait for a good shot. Yeah. Just wait for a good shot.
I've just seen around but
They're coming up this way. They're coming up. Here, they're coming. This one's coming up. They're looking. Don't move around too much. Yeah, they're kind of working their way up here. If they can cross onto that opening, Bryce, if you can get a shot there, I would take it.
I know that.
It would be, right? Keep watching for that, okay? Get ready, though. Oh, there. That one's really close to it. Oh, man. Can you take that one? Okay, get ready. Which one are you gonna shoot?
The one to my left.
The left, okay, that's just standing there. Oh, perfect. Can you shoot it right there? Put it on his chest and shoot. Oh, okay, yeah, take the other one if you can. Yeah.
This one's getting close.
Yeah, the one on the right. Yeah, they're gonna walk right in front of us. Are you on the one on the right now or left? Okay. Oh, get ready. Get ready. Get ready, buddy. Get on the scope. Get ready. Take them when you can, okay? Get ready, buddy. Take them. They're getting really close. Take them. Get another shot in it. It's standing down there. Shoot it again. You gotta hit. Shoot it again. get it. Yeah, you got it hit good.
Do you see anymore?
It's down over here behind this tree. Yeah, we can get it again. It's just standing there, right? Yeah, you got it hit. Shoot it again. I lost it now. I think you got it hit.
Thanks for joining us as we shared our Celebrate the Experience moments with you. We recovered both deer, and Bryce has a few more deer under his belt since this hunt. He continues his search for a buck though. Like and subscribe for more Thankful Outdoors.